Vegan Botox by Nature Eva. In this video, we are working with a model with hair type 4. We will demonstrate how to apply the treatment for a client who wants to open or define her curls while maintaining her natural texture without achieving a fully straight look. Product application on the section test. Apply the product to 3 small sections and test different heat levels and flat iron passes to compare results and find a method that satisfies the client's desired outcome. First section, no product applied. Second section, 1 flat iron pass at 190 degrees Celsius. Third section, 3 flat iron passes at 190 degrees Celsius. Washing and preparation. After the section test, wash the hair thoroughly using Vegan Botox shampoo twice. Gently towel dry to remove excess water, leaving the hair slightly damp. Sectioning the hair. Divide the hair into medium-sized sections. This ensures that every strand is coated with the product. Sections that are ready and appropriately sized make application easier. Product application. Start with approximately 50 grams of product. Apply a small amount to each section, distributing it evenly on every strand. Massage with your hands to promote absorption, then come through for uniform coverage. Leave the product on for 20 to 40 minutes to allow the hair to fully absorb the treatment. Rinsing. Rinse the hair thoroughly with lukewarm water to preserve the treatment. Drying. Dry the hair completely without brushing. After drying, the hair should feel very soft and ready for the next step. Straightening iron. Resection the hair for easier use of the straightening iron. Pass the iron over each strand from roots to ends to seal the treatment. After ironing, the hair will appear shinier, more disciplined, and silky. Ensure all sections are covered for an even result. Final rinse. After completing the flat iron step, rinse the hair thoroughly without shampoo to maintain the treatment's effectiveness. Final drying and styling. The hair can now be dried and styled according to the client's preference, with a diffuser to maintain natural curl definition, with a brush and blow dryer for a smooth finish, and with a curling iron and flat iron to create waves or define the style. After the treatment, the hair will be visibly healthier, nourished and stronger, achieving dream hair in just a few simple steps. The results last up to 2 months.